Hello students, previously we have discussed up to here. Today we will start talking about Antonio and what says previously when Shylock mentioned the name of Jacob who had played some trick upon Uncle Laban. Antonio said, what of him? Did he take interest? Shylock says no, he didn't take interest, or you may say he didn't take direct interest, but he had played the trick to make himself a fortunate one, make himself wealthy. With whom? With Uncle Laban. Laban is the uncle of Jacob. So he has made a pact with him. The reference you can see from here. So you just go through it a bit. You'd understand. If any problem occurs, just let me know. I will just solve it. I will just clarify everything. So Shylock is someone who doesn't even hesitate to take examples from scriptures to support his own or selfish wish. So Antonio says this was a venture, sir, that Jacob served for. So Jacob served for a divine cause to teach Uncle Laban a lesson. You cannot just take his example to fulfill your desire to take interest to be wealthy. Because it was predestined, it was fixed by heaven, means by gods, in the hand of God. So that's why Jacob has served the purpose. You cannot just take his reference to support yourself, your act. So what Jacob has done, Jacob has actually made a pact with his uncle Laban. What is the pact? That Jacob said that I'll look after your lambs, your flock of lambs or sheep, and when there is a breeding season, he had made a pact that whoever will give birth to striped lambs or ewes, those striped lambs or ewes will go to Jacob, and the rest of it will remain with Uncle Laban. And he had done, he had just in the way of through which the sun used to come in the room, he put some rods, and such was the impression that all the lambs had given birth to striped ewes or lambs. So Antonio says this was previously fixed by the God to teach Laban a lesson, and you cannot just justify that for your own activities. So is your gold and silver ewes and rams like Jacob? So what Shylock is replying? Shylock has given reply that I cannot tell, I make it breed as fast, but not me, Signor, means sir. So Antonio said, mark you this, Bassanio. The devil can cite scriptures for this purpose. Now Antonio is saying to Bassanio that who is the devil? Shylock is referred to as devil. So Shylock is such a devil or such a devilish person that he even cannot hesitate, or he even does not hesitate to cite. Cite means recite or quote scripture. Scriptures means holy books of different religion for his own purpose. An evil soul producing holy witness is like a villain with a smiling cheek, a goodly apple rotten at the heart. Oh, what a goodly outside falsehood hath. So what he is saying, that how evil a soul he possess, and what a villain he is with a smiling cheek, means he is a kind of devilish person who with his apparent smiling cheek or smiling face can hide the devil inside him. Just like a goodly apple rotten at heart, means maybe you have also experienced this kind of thing, right? When you buy some apple or something like that, which are apparently looking very beautiful, but when you cut it open, you could find that it is rotten at the middle of it. So you cannot just understand, or you cannot just comprehend how rotten that is from the outside part. In the same manner, Shylock is also a devil who is showing you the smiling cheek and try to impress you, but ultimately when the time would come, he will show his true color, and it would be very devilish. Shylock, 3,000 ducats, it's a good round sum. 3 months from 12, then let me see the rate. Okay, let me check the rate chart. Antonio said, well, Shylock, shall we be beholding to you? Means shall we get it from you, or we have to check from others? Shylock said, Signe Antonio, may a time and oft in the reality you have rated me about my monies and my usance. These kind of words are not now used. Money cannot be counted, but at that time it was at use. So you have Shylock is saying that previously also he had said that in reality you have abused me so much about what? About my business, about my money, about my rate of interest. Till I am patient. I am because sufferance is the badge of all our tribe. All our tribe means Jewish tribe. In Jewish tribe, we have learned to suffer, but we don't retaliate. We used to remain patient, and I had remained patient. I could have also abused you like you have done to me, but I hadn't done that because I know I have to be patient. Whatever is good will finally come out. You call me misbeliever, cutthroat dog. These things Antonio called Shylock. And spit upon my Jewish gabardine. Gabardine means dress. My Jewish outlook, my Jewish dress. You know very well that different religion had different kind of dresses allotted for that purpose. So Shylock's dress, Jewish dress, Antonio also spit upon him. Spit upon means not literally, but insulted it. And for all use of that which is mine own, and why you have done so? Whatever is mine, it's my business. I have to fix the rate. So who are you to make me feel insulted or underestimate my being? You cannot do that. So go then. You come to me and you say, Shylock, we would have monies. You say so. So Shylock is saying that now you are asking for money. From whom? From that person whom you have rated, whom you have abused, whom you have insulted by saying misbeliever, cutthroat dog, and also you didn't hesitate to spit on my gabardine. Where? In the place like Rialto, which is a public place. You shouldn't have done that. But now, look, this is the, you can say, fate that you have come to my house to ask for that money which you have once abused. So then Shylock says, I could have said that has a dog money. You have called me a dog, so how can a dog give you money? Or how can a dog, cur also means dog lend you 3,000 ducats? Or shall I be so humble to you because you have come to me and you have, I have to be grateful to you? No. Fair sir, you spit on me on Wednesday last. Means on last Wednesday also you spit on me. Means you have insulted me. Spit means insulted here. Here. You spurned me such a day. And you have done, I know very well that even if I give you out of courtesy, then also your mentality or your thought won't be changed. Then why should I give you money if there is no profit? Antonio is saying, I am like to call thee again so. So again, means I will call you again cutthroat dog. I will call you again misbeliever. I will again abuse you at Rialto. So do not think about friendship and all. Just give money for the purpose of business. Just to earn breed for baron. Breed for baron means to get interest from here, baron metal of his friend. So lend, just think that you are giving money to your enemy. So whatever your rate is, just let me know. I am helpless, so I have come here to support the ripe need of my friend because he needs that. So Shylock said, why look you, how you storm? Means how wild you are behaving, how enraged you are. I would be friends with you, but I want to be friends with you and I want to have your love. Forget the shames. I am ready to forget everything that you have done for me, done with me before. You have stained me with. I am ready to forget. Why? Just to supply your present want, just to supply your present need. That's why Shylock had decided, I have decided, I won't take any usance, means any interest for my money. Whatever I am giving, that is 3,000 ducats, and for how many months? Yes, 3 months. I would just accept that much money at the end of 3 months because I don't want to have business with you. Instead, I want to have your love. I want to be your friends. So please take it, and I am ready to forget everything that you have done to me. And now get the money and return it at the end of 3 months. I am ready to serve you without any interest. Just at the amount that I have given you or I will give you, just return me that. Bassanio, this way kindness means this is really a show of kindness. Thank you. Then Shylock says, go with me to the notary. Notary is the name of the person, not the name of the person. It can say, you can say that notary is the person, here it's given, a solicitor, a legal officer. So notary is a legal officer or solicitor, you may say. So come with me, because he is the one who will sign the bond. You're nowadays what we call advocates and all. Your single bond and a marriage sport. For in a marriage sport, if you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or such sums as are expressed in the condition. So I have to first prepare a bond, because everything should be legalized. So every condition would be there. So just for a marriage sports means just a valueless thing, just for formality. If you are not going to pay me on such a day, means at the end of 3 months, then just for formality I am writing that I would cut an equal pound of flesh from your body. Equal pound of flesh means a pound of flesh from your body. And from which part? From whatever part pleaseth me, means whatever part I like. From there only I would take the flesh, if you are unable, or if you will be unable to pay me on that fixed date. And from whose body? Antonio's body. Antonio said, content I faith. Okay, I am ready. I'll seal to such a bond and say there is much kindness in the Jew. So he is saying that I'll seal to such a bond, means I will sign. Seal means yes, sign. And say there is much kindness in the Jew. And obviously, I'll just say that you have become kind. But Bassanio is quite confused when there is a word of flesh and all, blood and all. You shall not seal to such a bond for me. I'll rather dwell in my necessity. Means I will rather live. Dwell means live in my necessity. You should not take such a high risk for me. And he said, fear not, man. I will not forfeit it. Means I will not. My bond will not expire. I will not. You can say, I will not be bound, because I know very well that within 2 months, there is a month before, because they have 3 months to fulfill the bond. So within 2 months, before this bond expires, I do expect return of thrice 3 times the value of this bond. Means, as Antonio had sent his ships abroad for business, so they would return, and they would return within 2 months. So 1 month spare, means before 1 month bond expires, and such a huge amount of money Antonio expects to have. Okay. So Shylock, oh Father Abraham, what these Christians are, whose own hard dealings teaches them suspect the thoughts of others. So look at these Father Abraham, that Abraham you have previously seen. So these Christians are even hard in their way of belief, because they don't believe in my intention. I am just, you can say, trying to make friendship with them, but they are not going to do so. So, just a pound of man's flesh taken from a man is so estimable, but it's just a formality. That's why I have to write. Otherwise, what would I do with your flesh? It is not mutton, beef, or goat that I would be able to eat them or use them. It's a human flesh. What would I do with that flesh? Just it's a formality. Don't take it very seriously. So actually I extend my hand for your friendship. That's the main thing. After that, and for my love, I pray you wrong me not. And for my love, please don't think wrong of me. Don't think me otherwise. So it says, yes, Shylock, I will seal unto this bond. Means I will sign this bond. Shylock is saying, then meet me forthwith at the notaries. So meet me at notaries, means before notary. I'll give him direction for this Mary bond. So for this bond, I will just direct him, and I will go and purse the ducat straight. Towards the ducat straight means I will just go and take those the amount that you want to get from my purse, from my store. And for where is the store? In my house. Left it in the fearful gird of an unthrifty knave, so which I have kept to an unthrifty knave. Knave means servant. Who is servant? We will later know. And presently I will be with you, and then I will come for you. So Shylock, just exit. I, the gentle Jew. The Hebrew will turn Christian. He grows kind. If actually, in our present language, it should be here an if. The word if should be there. So the Hebrew will turn Christian. He grows kind. Means if Shylock, the person like Shylock, will become kind, then all the Hebrew people will turn into Christians. So Bassanio is saying, I like not fair terms and a villain's mind. So I don't like this kind of term and condition. I am really afraid. Antonio says, come on, in this there can be no dismay. So don't think about it too much. My ships come home a month before the day. A month before the day of the expiry of the bond. So my ships would return. So don't worry about that. Because I am not at all afraid. Because I am very confident about my ships which would return a month before the bond forfeited means expire. So there is no need to be tensed about my flesh and all. I will be able to pay him thrice 3 times once my ships enter into the harbor of Venice. So that's the end of Act 1 Scene 3. This is your half-yearly syllabus up to here, up to Act 1 Scene 3 is your half-yearly syllabus. So I hope you would understand and let me know if there is any confusion. Thank you.